Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So I am in Santa Fe, New Mexico right now. I will be speaking at the Gathering of the Creatives tomorrow. It's very exciting, very nerve-wracking, but a cool thing is that they managed to acquire some copies of my book, The Paint Pouring Workshop, that doesn't come out till October 1st. So they are selling these here, which is really exciting to see my book being sold, especially next to authors that have bestsellers and have written over 50 books and stuff like that. It's kind of a crazy, exciting feeling. Now, long story short, I had been waiting for my author copies to do a giveaway for you guys, and they didn't come before I left town. But since these guys managed to get some, I actually bought one. However lame that is, I bought my own book because it's so exciting. And so I wanted to go ahead and do a giveaway for you guys. I will sign it. And this is international, so anyone can enter. We're gonna have this open for just the next few days until midnight the 24th. I'll announce the winners on the 25th, and then you'll have a couple days to claim your prize, basically until the 27th. And I'm just, for now, we're going to do, well, you know what, let's do two. We're gonna give away 2 signed copies, so there'll be 2 winners. And if you win it and wanna ship it to someone else as well, that's totally fine. Either way, it'll be a signed copy, and you'll be able to get it before everybody else does. So how we're gonna do this is go ahead below, let's make this fun. Enter in the comments your favorite color, no matter how abstract or odd it is. Let's just do that just for fun, why not? It's always trying to come up with different ways to do giveaways. Can get a little difficult sometimes. So like I said, by September 24th, midnight Pacific time, comment below and you will be entered to win one of 2 signed copies of the Paint Pouring Workshop. I will also put down in the description the link to go purchase it if you would like. It's available at Barnes & Noble, Amazon, etc. You would have to pre-order it now because it doesn't come out until October 1st. So I'll put that link down in the description just in case you don't win, or if you want to just go buy it, Anything helps, and I really appreciate, of course, all of the support. It would be amazing if it would be a bestseller, right? How exciting would that be? So, I hope you guys enjoy this, and good luck.